Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Traders with Edge podcast. Breaking into prop trading, it's like trying to climb Mount Everest, right? But in flip-flops, you need a ton of capital, a crazy track record. You need the connections. What if there was a different way, like a way easier path, a way to level the playing field? Today we're doing a deep dive into crypto traders' unlimited funding. We're going to see if they've actually figured it out. Are they legit offering a real chance at prop trading? Or is it just another hype train?
What's really fascinating about crypto traders' unlimited funding is that they seem to really get the problem. You know, that barrier to entry? Prop trading has always been the super exclusive club, right? Reserved for those with tons of money and insider access. But crypto traders' unlimited funding, they're saying they're going to change all that by offering a path that's open to anyone with the talent and dedication.
That's right, anyone. And speaking of opening doors, here at Traders with Edge, we also believe in giving talented traders a chance. We offer funding up to $500,000 for those who can beat our challenge. So, if you're ready to take your trading to that next level. But back to crypto traders' unlimited funding. They're saying some pretty impressive stuff. I heard they had something like a 31% success rate in Q4 of last year, 2023. For traders who went through their whole evaluation, that's crazy high for this industry, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. It is the usual for those old school prop firms. It's like, what, 10%, a 31% success rate? It tells you they're doing something different, right? Something that actually helps traders actually succeed. And it's not like they're just throwing money at the problem either. They built this whole system to actually grow trading talent.
Okay, so let's break this system down a bit. What are they offering that's so special?
They give you access to these really advanced trading platforms, super cutting-edge market analysis tools, and they even have personalized guidance from experienced mentors. And here's the crazy part. They're totally open about their strategies. Unlike a lot of those traditional firms, the ones that keep their methods secret, like some top secret stuff, crypto traders' unlimited funding actually shares their knowledge with their traders.
Whoa, wait. Transparency in prop trading. That's unheard of. Most firms are so secretive. So how does all this openness and support, how does that actually work in their evaluation?
So they've got this two-phase system. Phase one, it's all about proving yourself. It's where they check out a trader's skills and their potential. They give traders this simulated account. And you have to meet certain benchmarks, things like hitting a profit target within a certain time. And of course, managing risk.
So it's like a boot camp for traders. They get put through their paces, K-Trady, in this safe environment before they get to trade for real.
Yeah.
But can you give us some specifics? What kind of targets? What does a trader actually need to show to move on to that next level?
To pass phase one, traders have to show consistent profits. They got to hit an 8% profit target over at least 5 trading days. But it's more than just hitting numbers. They're also judging your trading habits. Things like discipline, how you manage risk, sticking to your plan.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. They're not looking for gamblers. They're looking for consistent pros.
Yeah.
But a lot of these prop firms, they try to force traders to all trade the same, dictating the strategies, the risk. Is crypto traders' unlimited funding more flexible?
Actually, they encourage traders to find their own style. Whether you're a scalper, a swing trader, or a long-term investor, you're free to develop your own approach, of course, within their risk management rules. They give you the tools, the resources, but they trust their traders to find what works for them.
That's cool. So it sounds like they're trying to empower traders, not restrict them.
Right.
Okay, so let's say you crush phase one.
Yeah.
You got the skills, the discipline. Like, what's next?
Phase two, that's when things get real. Traders get a live account, real capital. They have to meet tougher trading goals. Higher stakes, for sure, but way bigger potential rewards, too.
So it's like going from practice to the big game, huh? More pressure. But also a chance to hit it big. But how do they make sure traders don't go crazy with all that capital?
Risk management. It's still super important in phase two. They actually have some really advanced risk management tools, including these algorithms. They adjust position sizing based on how volatile the market is. So it's not about taking wild risks. It's about calculated strategic trading.
Okay, that makes sense. But what about their secret sauce for market entry? They talk about these cryptocurrency-specific indicators and something called cross-asset correlation analysis. It all sounds pretty high-tech. Can you break it down for us?
Yeah, they're definitely pushing the limits of traditional technical analysis. For example, one of their cryptocurrency indicators, it analyzes on-chain stuff, like transaction volume and network activity, to see if market sentiment might be shifting.
Wait, so they're using data straight from the blockchain to make trading decisions? That's wild. How does that even work?
It's all about understanding what's really driving the market. Traditional technical analysis. It usually just focuses on the price charts, right? But crypto traders' unlimited funding, they get that cryptocurrencies are more than just lines on a chart. They're part of this complex, interconnected system.
So by analyzing all that blockchain data, they're getting a much deeper understanding
Mm.
of what's really going on.
Exactly. And then you've got the cross-asset correlation analysis. That's where it gets really interesting. They look at how cryptocurrencies correlate with other assets like stocks, commodities, even precious metals.
Gotcha. So they might see that Bitcoin's price usually moves in the same direction as gold when the economy's uncertain.
Right.
That kind of insight would be super valuable, right? To see trends coming.
Exactly. It's about connecting the dots, seeing the big picture, something that traditional technical analysis might miss, and they don't stop there. They've even integrated real-time news feeds into their trading platform, so traders can see how breaking news and sentiment are affecting the markets.
Hold on, real-time news feeds, that's crazy. It's like having a whole team of analysts feeding you breaking news all the time. So they're combining cutting-edge tech with a deep understanding of the market. But how does this actually translate into profits for traders? Let's talk money. What's their funding model look like?
They have this tiered account system with different funding levels. It starts with a standard account at $25,000 and goes all the way up to an elite account at, get this, $1 million.
Oh, $1 million. That's a serious vote of confidence. So how do they decide? Who gets access to those higher levels?
It's all about performance, consistent profitability as traders move up and prove their skills. They unlock bigger accounts. It rewards excellence and encourages you to keep growing.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
It's not just about giving someone a ton of money and hoping for the best. It's about developing talent and having a clear path forward. Okay, but what about the split? How much profit do traders actually keep?
The profit split is really good, actually. It starts at 70-30 for standard accounts. So the trader keeps 70% of the profits, and as you move up the tiers, it gets even better, reaching 85-15 for elite traders.
85%. That's incredible. Most firms wouldn't even think about offering that. So no time pressure, amazing profit splits, and a chance to manage $1 million account. That all sounds too good to be true. What's the catch?
Honestly, there doesn't seem to be one. They don't have strict time limits for the evaluation. You can trade whenever the market's open. They have unlimited scaling, which means your account can grow as you get better. And don't forget, here at Traders with Edge, we offer up to $500,000 for those who pass our challenge.
It's really cool to see companies that actually prioritize trader success, not just trying to squeeze every last dollar out of them.
Yeah.
But it's not all about fancy tools and profits, right? What about the human side? What kind of support do they offer to help traders really thrive?
Yeah, I think the main thing is this whole model, it's breaking down those old walls. It used to be you needed to be some Wall Street hotshot with a family fortune just to get started. But crypto traders' unlimited funding is proving that talent and hard work, they can actually take you places. They're making prop trading open to everyone. Anyone with the drive to make it.
It's like they're evening the score, giving everyone a fair shot. And it's not even just about the money. They're creating this supportive place, giving out tools and education that used to be for the elite.
Exactly. It's about empowering the traders, not just giving them cash. And their success rates, they show it's working. They're not just making traders, they're making winners.
It's a pretty cool story, right? Makes the thing. Could this be how prop trading works in the future?
Yeah.
A world where it's all about skill.
It's definitely possible. If crypto traders' unlimited funding keeps doing well and other firms start copying them, we might actually see a real change, more inclusive, more about what you can do.
And that's something I think a lot of people would get behind. It's inspiring to see a company like this shaking things up, challenging how it's always been done, and opening doors for a whole new group of traders.
It just goes to show you, innovation can come from anywhere. Crypto traders' unlimited funding is proof. You don't need to be some Wall Street giant to make a real difference. You just need a good idea, a commitment to being the best, and believing in helping others.
Couldn't have said it better myself. And that's a perfect place to wrap things up. We've covered a lot today, exploring a really innovative approach to prop trading. But before we go, I want to remind everyone that here at Traders with Edge, we're also dedicated to helping talented traders reach their full potential. We offer funding up to $500,000 for those who conquer our challenge. So if you're feeling that inspiration, check out our website.
That's right. Who knows, maybe we'll have you on the show someday, sharing your success story.
That's all the time we have for today, folks. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of crypto traders' unlimited funding. We'll catch you next time on the Traders with Edge podcast.